In this video, we're going to go over how to solve complex fraction expressions using order of operations, or PEMDAS. So for our first question, say I were to give you 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4 times 2. And I told you to find the answer. How would you do this? Well, according to PEMDAS, we're going to need to multiply or divide before we add or subtract. And here we don't have any parentheses or exponents. So our first step is multiplying or dividing. And as you can see, we have a multiplication sign. So we can rewrite 3 over 4 times 2 as 2 over 1. And we're going to do this operation off to the side to keep it cleaner. So 3 over 4 times 2 over 1. Since it's multiplication, all we need to do is multiply across. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And then 4 times 1 is equal to 4. So our final answer is 6 over 4. And so now we can input that back into the expression and simplify. So this is solved as 6 over 4. So we're left with 1 over 2 plus 6 over 4. Now that's a lot more manageable. So now that we have an addition statement here, and we have two unlike denominators, we need to find a common denominator. So since 4 is simply double 2, we can just multiply 2 by 2, and then multiply the numerator by 2, and that'll give us a common denominator. So these two fractions now can be rewritten as 2 over 4 plus 6 over 4. And since we have common denominators now, all we need to do is add the numerators, and the denominators will stay the same. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8 over 4. Now 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. And our final answer for the initial expression is 2. Now let's try another problem, but this time pause the video and try it on your own. But for this problem, we're going to have parentheses. I'm going to give you 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6 in brackets. And then on the outside, we're going to have times 3. Now pause the video and try it on your own. But when you come back, you'll realize the process remains the exact same. According to PEMDAS, our first step is parentheses. So we're going to deal with what's inside the bracket first, and we're going to deal with it off to the side. So 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6. Once again, 6 is just double 3, so we can multiply 3 by 2. By 2, not by 3. And then we'll multiply the numerator by 2. And when we rewrite this, we'll get 2 over 6 plus 1 over 6. And now that we have a common denominator, we simply just add the numerators together. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 6. And now we've taken care of what was in the brackets. So we can simplify the expression. So we have 3 over 6 where the brackets were, times 3. Now this times 3, we can rewrite it as times 3 over 1. And since it's multiplication now, we don't need to find a common denominator. We can just multiply across the numerator and the denominator. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 6 times 1 is equal to 6. You can simplify this further into 9 over 6 is equal to 3 over 2. Or if your teacher wants it as a mixed number, it could be 1 and 1/2. And that's your final answer. I hope this video helped. Thank you.